Soichiro Honda wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He was born with grease under his fingernails. Growing up in rural Japan, young Soichiro's playground wasn't a park, but his father's bicycle repair shop. The air hummed with the clatter of tools and the whirring of spokes. This wasn't just work for his father, it was a passion. And Soichiro? He caught the bug. Even as a young boy, Soichiro wasn't content to just watch. He yearned to understand how things worked, to take them apart and put them back together. He had an insatiable curiosity, a hunger to learn the secrets hidden within gears and sprockets. This wasn't just about fixing bikes, it was about fixing things, about understanding the mechanics of the world around him. His mind raced with possibilities. He looked beyond the bicycles, beyond the confines of his small town. He saw cars, motorcycles, machines that could move people and things faster, further. He saw a future where he could be a part of this exciting world, a world of speed, innovation, and the open road. This wasn't just a childish fantasy. This was a dream taking root in the heart of a young boy, a dream fueled by grease, gears, and the unwavering belief that he could build something extraordinary. At 15, Soichiro Honda took a leap of faith. He left his hometown and journeyed to Tokyo, drawn to the city's energy and opportunity. He landed an apprenticeship at an auto repair shop. The work was tough, demanding, but Soichiro embraced the challenge. Every task was a lesson learned. He wasn't just fixing cars, he was honing his skills. His natural talent was undeniable. He had an intuitive understanding of mechanics, diagnosing problems by ear, with precision. Fellow mechanics recognized his rare gift, but he yearned to create something of his own. A fire burned within him, whispering of innovation. The seed of an idea began to sprout in his ambition. The road to success is rarely smooth. It's paved with potholes, detours, and unexpected roadblocks. Soichiro Honda, a man who built an empire on wheels, learned this lesson the hard way. In 1937, fueled by his entrepreneurial spirit, he founded Tokai Seiki. He poured his heart and soul into this venture, producing piston rings, a vital component for engines. But fate, it seemed, had other plans. World War II cast a long shadow over Japan, disrupting industries and shattering dreams. Tokai Seiki, caught in the crosshairs of conflict, was devastated by wartime bombing. Just when it seemed like he might catch a break, an earthquake struck, further crippling his fledgling company. The blows were enough to break the spirit of a lesser man. But Soichiro Honda was not a man easily deterred. He possessed a resilience forged in the fires of adversity. He picked himself up, dusted himself off, and surveyed the wreckage. He didn't see defeat, he saw an opportunity. He sold what remained of Tokai Seiki, using the proceeds to fund his next venture. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, his dream refused to die. His spirit, tempered by hardship, emerged stronger than ever, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The year was 1946. World War II had left Japan in ruins, its people struggling to rebuild their lives. Resources were scarce, and the future seemed uncertain. But, amidst the wreckage, a spark of ingenuity ignited. Soichiro Honda, unyielding in the face of adversity, established the Honda Technical Research Institute. With characteristic resourcefulness, he scavenged what he could from the remnants of war. Surplus army generator engines, once used to power military equipment, found new life in his hands. He ingeniously adapted these engines, attaching them to bicycles, creating a rudimentary form of motorized transportation. It wasn't pretty, but it moved. Word spread like wildfire. People, desperate for affordable and reliable transportation, flocked to Honda. He listened to their needs, constantly refining his designs, improving upon his creations. The bicycle engine evolved, transformed from a makeshift solution into a reliable, commercially viable product. Honda wasn't just building machines, he was building hope, providing mobility in a time of great need. This wasn't just about business, it was about using his skills to make a difference, to help his country get back on its feet. Section 5, Birth of a Legend. In the annals of automotive history, certain partnerships stand out as transformative. Henry Ford and his Model T, Carl Benz and his pioneering automobiles, and then there's Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa. In 1948, these two visionary entrepreneurs joined forces, their combined talents giving birth to a legend Honda Motor Company. Honda, the brilliant engineer, the mechanical maestro, found his perfect complement in Fujisawa. A shrewd businessman with a keen eye for market trends, Fujisawa brought structure and financial acumen to Honda's boundless creativity. It was a match made in automotive heaven. Their shared vision was clear: to build affordable, reliable, and, above all, fun-to-ride motorcycles. Honda poured his heart into the engineering, crafting machines that were not only technologically advanced, but also aesthetically pleasing. Fujisawa, meanwhile, worked his magic, establishing a robust sales and distribution network, ensuring that Honda's creations would reach eager customers. Their first masterpiece, the Dream D-Type motorcycle, roared onto the scene in 1949. It was an instant success, capturing the imagination of a nation hungry for mobility and a touch of excitement in the post-war era. This was just the beginning. The Honda dream was about to take flight. Section 6. Conquering the world on two wheels. The 1950s and 60s were a time of unprecedented growth for Honda. The Dream D-Type was just the tip of the iceberg. Honda, with its relentless pursuit of innovation, unleashed a wave of motorcycles that captivated riders worldwide. From the iconic Super Cub, a global bestseller that brought affordable transportation to millions, to the powerful CB 750, a bike that redefined performance and style. Honda's reputation for quality and reliability soared. But Honda's ambitions extended beyond the showroom. They craved the thrill of competition, the challenge of pushing their machines to the limit. Honda entered the world of motorcycle racing with a vengeance, their bikes quickly becoming a force to be reckoned with on racetracks around the globe. They didn't just want to win races, they wanted to dominate. And dominate they did. Honda's racing pedigree, built on a foundation of engineering excellence and a relentless drive for improvement, cemented their status as a true titan of the motorcycle industry. By 1964, Honda had achieved a remarkable feat. They became the world's largest motorcycle producer, a testament to their unwavering commitment to quality, innovation, and the thrill of the open road. But Honda wasn't done yet, they were just getting started. Section 7. 4 wheels and a dream. Having conquered the world of motorcycles, Honda set its sights on a new horizon, the automobile market. It was a bold move, a significant challenge for a company known primarily for its two-wheeled wonders. But Honda, never one to back down from a challenge, embraced the opportunity with characteristic zeal. Their foray into four wheels began modestly with the T360 mini truck in 1963, a practical workhorse that quickly gained popularity. But it was the S500 sports car, launched later that year, that truly captured the automotive world's attention. This sleek, stylish roadster, with its peppy engine and nimble handling, announced Honda's arrival as a serious contender in the car market. In 1959, Honda established American Honda Motor Company, Inc., their first overseas subsidiary. They had their sights set on the American market, and they weren't afraid to shake things up. The Honda N600, a small but mighty car, became the first Honda automobile sold in the US in 1969. But it was the Honda Accord, launched in 1976, that truly cemented Honda's place in American automotive history. The Accord, with its blend of fuel efficiency, reliability, and affordability, became an instant bestseller. Honda had arrived and the American car market would never be the same. Section 8. A legacy of innovation. From the very beginning, Honda stood for more than just building machines. It was about pushing boundaries, challenging conventions, and constantly striving for a better tomorrow. This ethos, deeply ingrained in the company's DNA, is evident in their unwavering commitment to innovation and sustainability. Honda's engineers, driven by an unquenchable thirst for progress, constantly sought ways to improve their products, to make them more efficient, more environmentally friendly, and more enjoyable to use. This relentless pursuit of innovation led to groundbreaking technologies like the CVCC engine, a marvel of engineering that significantly reduced emissions, paving the way for cleaner, more sustainable transportation. But Honda's vision extended far beyond the internal combustion engine. They recognized the need for alternative fuel sources, for vehicles that could reduce humanity's reliance on fossil fuels. Their answer? The FCX Clarity fuel cell vehicle, a technological tour de force that showcased Honda's commitment to a greener future. This commitment wasn't just about building eco-friendly cars. Honda invested heavily in renewable energy, becoming the first major U.S. automotive manufacturer to use on-site wind turbines, further reducing their environmental footprint. Honda's legacy wasn't just about building great cars and motorcycles, it was about building a better world for generations to come. Section 9. Inspiration for the ages. Soichiro Honda, the boy who grew up tinkering in his father's bicycle shop, left an indelible mark on the world. He wasn't just an engineer or a businessman, he was a dreamer, an innovator, a man who refused to let adversity extinguish his spirit. His journey, from humble beginnings to the helm of a global automotive empire, is a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in one's ability to make a difference. Honda's story is an inspiration to us all, a reminder that with passion, determination, and a healthy dose of grit, anything is possible. His legacy lives on, not just in the millions of cars and motorcycles that bear his name, but in the hearts and minds of countless individuals who dare to dream big and chase their passions, no matter how audacious they may seem. So the next time you see a Honda speeding down the highway, or a young child gazing in wonder at a motorcycle engine, remember Soichiro Honda. Remember the man who dared to dream, who built an empire on 2 wheels and 4, and whose legacy continues to inspire generations to come. His story is a reminder that the only limits are the ones we set for ourselves, so go forth, dream big, and never stop chasing the open road.